Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's scroll and find language and input. And here we've got the language option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of languages from which we can choose. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one. Let's tap on it if you're ready, and as you can see, the whole menu just changed into the language we've just chosen. And in order to get back to English, then simply go to the languages again, languages, and here let's choose the English. And as you can see, it also immediately changes. So that's all. This is how to change language in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.